Hey everybody, welcome back to Dirty Girl Flair's YouTube channel, and today we are making soap. We make soap here all the time. Well, a lot of time. That's mostly what we're doing lately. And today's soap is a Valentine themed soap. I know it's the middle of December. Well, yes, I know, you guys don't know. But the soap won't be ready until the middle of January, so it's a good time to just knock out one or two of those holiday themed soaps. And I will be using Mica colorants and Nature's Garden Black Raspberry Vanilla fragrance oil. It's a good fragrance oil. It gives you time to work, even though my soap isn't going to be that complicated. I do, however, hope to do a little bit of piping on the top. Not a lot, just a little bit. And I got the idea from watching Fern's YouTube channel. She's a very creative young woman, and she has inspired me to just make a small design with a little bit of piping, and I'll see how that turns out. Let's get over to the soaping table and see what happens today. Can't wait. Yay. Okay, so here we are. Because I'm using the heat transfer method, I'll be pouring the hot lye into my hard oils. I have my soft oil set over to the side. We are using Micas True Red combo here. You guys see that? We are using Harold's Purple Crown. And we've used some Wicked, also from Mad Oils. And so without further ado, let's get to doing. So here we are. We're just going to use the heat transfer method again, and we're going to use the lye solution to melt all the hard oils before we add the soft oils in. Pour in our soft oils. This is castor and rice bran. So here's the colorant that we have mixed up for the red. We will see how it goes. There you go. So now, has this hardened? It's not quite there yet, but we're gonna pipe with black. It's gonna be fun. While this sets up a little more, I'm going to make up a little bit more of this black mica because I want to decorate the top, and I really want this to be black. Okay guys, I'm back and it looks like the piping is ready. So I'm just going to do a little test over off camera so I can see what it's going to look like. go. You guys can see it. Yep. Hey guys, here we are the next day. It's been about, probably 20-ish, 22 hours. Let's cut this end off. Oh. Oh. Oh boy, I think I like this one. It smells wonderful. Well guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because sometimes, well, lately I haven't been putting videos up on a regular basis. So to know when I post a video, if you turn on that little bell, it'll let you know. I appreciate all your views and comments, and I will see you on the next go around. Bye.